Hello, I'm Thomas. In this class, we will learn about how to compile and run Java program. We just learn with a small example, class ESP1. It just bring the welcome message, welcome to Java. Open command prompt window. The command prompt window is open. Now move to the desired drive where the program is saved. My program is saved in F colon. Move to the desired folder. My program saved in a BCL app folder. So just move CD BCL app. CD means change directory. Then we have to set the path of the Java. My Java was installing C program file jdk/me. This is the location of the Java where we have to install. My Java is installed in C colon program file Java /jdk versions/bin. You have to find in your system where this um, bin folder is located. That path you should be set path equal to the path of your system locations. My system location C colon program file Java JDK versions 1.6/bin. Then to compile the program, just type Java C ESP1 dot Java. Java C ESP1 dot Java. Java C Java compile. To compile the Java program, just type Java C ESP1 dot Java. If you have any error, it will show error. Now this program no error, so it does not show any error. If it has any error, it will show. To run the Java program, just type Java ESP1. Now the welcome message is printed. Welcome to Java. To compile the program, Java C ESP1.java. To run the program, just Java ESP1. Before, you have to set the path. Set path equal to. Thank you. Follow our video and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.